Tutuko found out that Kgalelo is pregnant with his baby, but her father warned him to stay away from her, and now he's worried that he might not be around to see his baby because he might go to prison. Mdala followed Linda to Etembeni, but lost her because Linda escaped through the window. Tubbs also lost Darlene, but she came back looking scruffy, busy bakupeli tuna Umdala no Tlogri. And then, Kidiboni does not trust herself around Vukosi. Even Tidi is shocked. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So Mdala followed Linda to Etembeni. Linda managed to get inside the bathroom Yemantombazane and managed to escape. He waited there like a fool, thinking that Linda is going to come out and hey, Linda also escape. But he waited and waited. Linda is not coming out. Asked this girl to go and check her, the waitress, and check her, but did not and realized she's no longer in the bathroom. So now Mdala went in there, imagine, in the girl's bathroom, busy opening doors, and realized that Linda escaped through the window. Tubbs also followed Darlene and realized and also lost her. So Mdala says they must have realized that we're following them. But Tubbs says that Darlene eventually showed up after some time looking scruffy. Kanti Darlene busy a grave. She's busy digging a grave for Tlogri and Mdala. That's why she came back looking scruffy, because when you're not miracle. Now, Tlogri seems if Darlene had something solid, she would have acted. Maybe she has left. Kanti no, madam. Tlogri busy pela libit. And then now Mdala says if she had nothing, she wouldn't pay the reward. It means there's something. And then Linda is worried that something might happen to him. He gives the money to his sister Jackie and says that Badu Jackie is worried if Mdala catches Darlene might talk and throw you under the bus. Linda thought maybe my Darlene will not do that. But Jackie is like, no man, maybe not willingly, but you're Mazumdal. And then Linda decides to call Darlene and tell her that we're being followed, but I managed to lose them. Then Darlene says, yeah, I know. Darlene also knows that Tubbs has been following her and says that plan Yamdala is going to end in a poetic justice. This girl has something up her sleeve, hey? They're worried that they might be going to prison, and say what's going to happen to them when they get there. Tutuko is worried he does not want to be someone's wife in prison. But Umtons is like, don't worry, man. At least in case you're separate to Bafana, and in case you go in there, I've got friends in there, Bazon protect. And then Vuvu wants Victor to at least hear Kgalelo out, man, not just abandon her like this, because she's the one who begged her to tell him. But Victor feels like she contributed to Kgalelo spiraling, because Kgalelo has always been a good girl. And now she's pregnant without a future. So he tried to give her everything so that she can have a bright future. Now it's so disappointing. He says that is very disappointed. But Bridget is like, no man, Tutu is not is not gonna make levels forever. He's a graduate. But I can't no levels. Victor didn't waste time and went to levels to see Tutugo. Ariwena Pila, I don't want to see you near my daughter again. And you ruined her life, you ruined her future. That time Tutugo does not know what's going on. He tells Victor, no, don't worry, because Khaled and I have separated. Or so it's like that, ne? Hit and run. So wana no imsha wana kawatamaya. Because you travel responsibilities to how. Don't worry, kito tlhokomela ngwana. Now Tutugo is shocked, ngwana, because Tutugo did not know ukuthi unengane. Tutugo was like, Kgalelo is pregnant, because Kgalelo did not tell Tutugo. She just ghosted him instead of telling him. So now Victor thinks Tutugo because now Tutugo is abandoning Kgalelo just because she's pregnant, and Tutugo did not know. Now Tutugo talks to the guys. The guys are like, oh, fine, congratulations, gay. But Tutugo is worried, how am I going to be a father? What if I go to jail? What if I end up in jail? What kind of future? And says maybe Ubaba Kgalelo is right, because by wanting me to stay away from them. But Bogo says, well, no man, you're gonna learn and you're not going to jail, winner. And no one should be kept away from their child. I hope Tutugo is gonna be a present father if Kgalelo ends up deciding to keep the baby. Now Ukidiboni goes to meet up with Ubukosi and telling him that Matubela agreed for him to pay the damages. And Ubogos is already campaigning, trying to get Kidiboni to go to his apartment. I don't know, man, let's go. I jail lunch. But Kidiboni does not trust herself around Ubogosi. Now she goes to talk to Tidi and says, yo, what's when we're together? Scalo. It's like we nearly kissed, but then you got disturbed because Poco walked in. Now Tidi was already thinking, you slept Libukosi. And I didn't go that far. I think Kiriboni knows she does not trust herself, so she's keeping her distance. Now, Kiriboni says that she did not think Tidi did not think Kiriboni is the type that can fool around. But Kiriboni says you're forgetting Ubukosi was my first love. Mama Kakiena, who separated us because we never broke up. Then Siri's like, you know what, girl? You can't keep on blaming your mother. What happened in the past is your mom, but what you decide to do now, that's all you. Because Kiriboni was also saying that she does not want to hurt or betray Kasa. But at this level, the feelings are high for Ugosi. They are coming back so hard that she's starting to wonder if she made it, if she wants to be with Ugosi or Kasa. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.